to Ivy's Space. So today I have a package from Nigeria and I'm going to be doing unboxing for you guys today. I ordered some food from Nigeria. If you watch some of my previous shopping vlog, my African shopping vlog, you could see that I spent so much money buying African food here in Canada. So one of my TikTok friends who ordered from Nigeria told me about this company, and the name is NK Food Nigeria. I'm going to be leaving the Instagram handle down below where you can get all your African food items from. If you're like me, you don't have anybody back home to help you shop and post it here, this is a great option for you. You can go, I'm going to be leaving all the link down my description box so that you can go check them out on Instagram. I have to say this package was really fast. I think it was less than 2 weeks that it came. Let's just say a week, and I spent about 95,000 naira for this package. So 95,000, when they told me the amount 95,000 was, I'm like, I don't know how much that would be in Canadian dollars. So in Canadian dollars, it ended up being about 306 Canadian dollars. So I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I ordered. Okay, so let me unbox this for you guys today. I hope my address is not showing it whatsoever. So I'm going to unbox this for you guys today. The package looks pretty, like medium size, so it's not that big, but it's heavy. So let's hope the stuff that I order is big enough, because $300 for African food, that's money. Okay, so I'm just going to unbox it for you guys today. Right, this is the package right here unboxed. I'm not going to show you guys the front because my address is on it. So this is the package. I'm going to do unboxing for you guys today so that we can see some of the stuff we're able to get for 300 Canadian dollars all the way from Nigeria. And as I know right now, the food prices back home is a lot, like it's so much. So let's just do this unboxing and let's see how much we got for 300 Canadian dollars. So I'm just going to let's take this off. And the thing about this package is it didn't really take too long. It felt long, but when I went back to our messages and I saw when I sent her the money and everything, and guys, this lady had to help me send this money because I don't have any Nigeria account. I don't have nobody in Nigeria that can help me pay this lady, and she didn't have a PayPal. So if you're going to be ordering from her, make sure you have somebody back home or somehow a way that you're going to get the money from her. But Edify was so nice. She's like, okay, do you know what? I'm going to pay for her. I'm going to pay for you with my account in Nigeria. Just send me the money. So I was like, yes, I was so happy. So I'm just going to open it. Let's see what is in here. If you're in Canada and you want to order something from Nigeria, I'm going to leave all her link down below. You can contact her. She ships everywhere, because when I checked her page on Instagram, she said they do shipment to the US, to Europe, like literally almost everywhere. So you can contact her and check with her if they deliver to your country. But I think they will. Ooh, guys! Yay! Oh my goodness! Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness! Look at this! All this food for 300 naira. So when I contacted her, one of my #1 stuff that I wanted was big crayfish. Let's see. This is the big crayfish. This was about 4,000 4,500 naira. Yeah, this was 4,500 naira for this big crayfish. So as I mentioned before, right now everything is expensive back home, but I was expecting more for 4,500 naira crayfish, but apparently things are really expensive back home right now. So 4,500 naira, I don't even know how much that is in Canada money, but I think it's still worth the money. If I were to spend that 4,500 naira here in Canada, I don't think that would get me this much crayfish. So let's move on to the next. Oh, she sent me this one. Oh my goodness. I got what, catfish? I got this smoked catfish. I think she just added this to it because I'm not a big fan of this catfish, so I'm still going to use it to cook my tomatoes pepper soup. Look at it. I think it's about three big catfish that she added to it. I think that was a gift because I didn't order that catfish, I'm not going to lie. And this is my ogbolo. This ogbolo looks small to me. This was about I don't even know how much. I'm going to check on my phone how much this was, but this is the ogbolo. I know right now everything is so expensive back home, so this is the ogbolo that I got from her. It's already grinded, guys. I'm so happy for that, that she blended everything before she sent it to me, because if she sent me the melon himself or the seed himself, I will not be able to grind because I don't have a grinder here in Canada to like grind ogbolo. And the other one she sent me was pepper soup spice. Wow, this pepper soup spice, this one was 4,500 naira. This looks so small. Look at this. I don't even know how much is 4,500 naira. Guys, if you live in Canada, how much is 4,500 naira? Leave a comment down below, please. Please help me. This looks so small. Like I bought two of these in Canada the other day, and it was about $5 for a small tray, like something like this. Like half of this, it was like $5. So I don't know how much 4,500 naira in Canadian money. I'm going to go check it if this is worth the price. And this is my egusi that I got as well. So I got this egusi from her. Oh, guys, maybe it's my eye. I was expecting like big stuff, and it looks big, but I don't know. I'm going to check the price. You know what, I'm going to check the price, how much I got this for. Everything ended up being 300 Canadian dollars. So actually this is what 300 Canadian dollars look like. Grocery shopping from Nigeria. So this was a gift from her, and this is 300 Canadian dollars food from Nigeria. So this is the ogbolo, the big crayfish. This is it, and this is the grounded egusi as well, and the pepper soup spice. And yeah, so this was 95,000 naira worth of food from Nigeria. The big the smoke, this smoke one was I think this was a gift from her. I'm going to check right now how much these two, like how much I paid for this one. Just give me a moment. I just had to pause. This is it. I just had to pause it to go check my Instagram messages that I sent her and to check the prices. So apparently this was 15,000 naira for this ogbolo. 15,000 naira should be about, I don't even know how much 15,000 naira is, guys. Leave a comment down below if you know how much 15,000 naira is in Canadian dollars. And this was actually 5,000 naira. So I went to the message that I sent her, and this was 5,000 naira, guys. Wow, unbelievable. And the goosey was 4,500 naira, which was it's a little bit shocking to me that the goosey is actually cheaper than the crayfish. I mean, the cheaper than the pepper soup spice. So yeah. And this one was 9,000 naira. So this was more expensive than the egusi. So as you can see, guys, things are actually very pricey back home. Food stuff are really pricey, because you know what, this whole thing for $300 I think is worth it. I'm not sure because I usually buy in like small containers. They're like $5 per container, and now I have this one for 15,000 naira, and I don't even know how much 15,000 naira is in Canadian money. I don't know if 15,000 naira is about $100 Canadian dollars. I'm not even sure. Guys, leave a comment down below. I'm going to be putting all the prices down and the description box, and I'm going to also add the contact number for this lady Instagram page of this company on my Instagram, on my description box. Guys, go check them out. Yeah, this is, what else can I say? This is this is 300 worth of African food from Nigeria to Canada. So this is $300, Canadian dollars worth of food from Nigeria to Canada. So this is what I got. Everything ended up costing 95,000 naira. If you live in Canada, everything ended up costing me 95,000 naira from Nigeria to Canada. And I got this as a present. She gave me this for present, and they look really big. So I'm going to be using this for pepper soup. Thank you so much, NK Food. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'm going to, guys, go bye.